Hello everybody, this is Nanduram and we are from Sonu Academy. Today we are going to explain about Environmental Studies Class 4 Cbse syllabus. Today's our topic is Home and Abroad. Let us see what is happening in Mallu's house. Today there was a lot of activity at Mallu's house. Chittappan and his family were coming home after 5 years. Chittappan had got a job in a country called Abu Dhabi 5 years ago. Since then he had lived there. Mallu and her appa went to the airport to receive them. After the plane landed, the passengers had to wait for some time to collect their luggage. At the last, Chittappa, Kunjamma and their 2 children could be seen coming out. How big Shanta and Cbse have grown, Appa said to them. Many suitcases and bags were fitted into the taxi and everyone was on the way to Mallu's house. Mallu said to Shanta, you must be very tired after your long journey. Appa told me that Abu Dhabi is another country. It is far from India. Then Shanta replied, we are not tired. Even though it is far, our flight took only 2 hours. The plane flies very fast. Mallu was surprised for these words. She remembered that when she had gone a school trip to Chennai, they had spent almost 12 hours in the train, and on the map, Cochin and Chennai seemed quite near. Mallu, Shanta and Cbse chatted all the way home from the airport. Mallu remembered that how much fun she had on her school trips. She wanted Shanta to tell them all about her trip from Abu Dhabi. Then Mallu asked, did you see many interesting things from the plane? Then Shanta replied, no, most of the time we saw only clouds because the plane was flying so high, even higher than the clouds. But before it went too high, we could see that there was flying over a sand areas. It was sandy, but the color of these sands kept changing just like white, brown, yellow, red and black. We saw mountains made only of sands. They are called sand dunes. Then Cbse said, I have seen sand only at the seahorse. Then you should come to visit us, said Chittappan. The countries around Abu Dhabi are located in a desert area. Even if one drives a little away from the city, you can see miles and miles of sand. There were no trees, no greenery, and it is just a sand. Kunjamma said, yes, I used to dream of thick greenery and cool water around our home in Kerala. I am also so happy to see all this after such a long time. The children have almost forgotten how it feels when it rains. You know, it almost never rains in a desert area, said by Chittappan. Yes, water is really very precious over there. There is no rain, no rivers, no lakes, no pond in the Abu Dhabi. Even below the ground there is no water. But there is a lot of oil under the sandy soil. So, petrol is easily available in these countries. In fact, petrol is cheaper than water, said by Chittappan. By this time, the taxi had reached Mallu's house. Shanta and Cbse were surprised to see so many fruit trees such as coconut trees, bananas, jackfruit, papaya and so. Cbse said that we used to see only one kind of tree there in Abu Dhabi, that is the date palms, because it is the only one that can grow in the desert. The date is the most common fruit in Abu Dhabi. After they had met everyone, Kunjamma unpacked their bags. They had brought gift for everyone. They gave dates for everyone to eat. The dates were very tasty. Cbse showed to Mallu some notes and coins. Shanta explained that the money they used in Abu Dhabi was different and was called as dirham in our Indian, and we call them as rupees and coins. It had something written in their local language, such as maybe as Arabic. They also showed many photographs of the place where they lived. Chittappan gave Mallus a globe. He said that Mallu, why don't you locate Abu Dhabi on this? And in the same way you can locate the Kerala also. The children were enjoyed while playing with the globe and looking for the different places on the globe. Mallu found Chennai and Cochin also. In the evening, everyone sat in the veranda enjoying the breeze and looking at the photographs. They saw that in Abu Dhabi the buildings were very tall with many stores and big glasses and windows. Mallu said to Chittappan, you must be getting nice cool breeze through these big windows. Chittappan said, we cannot open the windows because of the heat. It is air conditioned inside where everyone stays. As the weather is very hot, people wear loose cotton clothes and keep themselves fully covered. Even the head is covered. This protects them from the strong sun. Mallu enjoyed looking at the pictures and find out about the other countries from her cousins. She constantly kept comparing her city and the things and that they described about Abu Dhabi. Children, in this lesson we learn that the children comparing the difference between the Abu Dhabi and the Kerala. Thank you. This is Nanduram and we are from Sono Academy.